Hey guys, Josh back with you. So I've been deep in the crypto game for like just over 7 years now. And guys, reputation score in crypto, this thing has gone from being this underground metric to absolutely critical for anyone serious about Web3, honestly. So basically what it is, it's like a trust score, specifically for crypto address. Analyzes every single on-chain action you've taken to prove you're a real person and not just another bot network running operations. This genuinely cuts down on annoying AML verification pop-ups that waste so much time. Plus, I can double check everything's legit before filing tax reports. Also, airdrop campaigns filter heavily by this. DeFi protocols extend way better borrowing terms when your score is clean. Gaming platforms use it to verify authentic players. It's basically your passport in the Web3 world now. Okay, so let me walk you through how this actually works. So here, I can examine whatever address I want. First, jumping into my Trust Wallet app, grabbing my address, switching back to the site, dropping it into this field here, and okay, clicking check score.
All right, so to access the complete analytical breakdown, first I need to unlock full access here. Okay, pressing unlock, confirming payment. Good, there we go. Full data on my address just appeared. So what I'm looking at now covers all the risk factor breakdowns, transaction history depth, wallet maturity, asset distribution, everything that actually tells the full story. Now I've got complete clarity on this address's reputation and can figure out my next moves accordingly. So now let me break down why this matters so much based on my actual experience with these tools. And honestly, this is gonna save you a lot of headaches and wasted money if you pay attention. About 1.5 years ago, I started testing reputation checkers because I kept missing airdrop eligibility despite being active in like 7 different ecosystems. First platform I tried had this slick interface, professional branding, the whole 9 yards. They charged me $45 for a comprehensive audit. And guys, the report they gave me was literally just generic blockchain stats I could have pulled from Etherscan for free. Transaction count, wallet age, token holdings, nothing about actual reputation or risk factors. Complete waste of money.
Second service I tested was even worse. They required connecting through Wallet Connect with full permissions, and their smart contract wanted approval to access my tokens. Red flag central. Later found out through crypto Twitter that same platform was linked to a phishing operation targeting airdrop farmers. Then I found one reputation optimization service that promised to clean up wallet flags and boost scores through some proprietary process. They wanted $200 upfront. I asked them to explain technically how they'd modify immutable blockchain data because that's literally impossible. And they just kept giving vague answers about proprietary algorithms and network relationships. Total scam. Your on-chain history is permanent. Nobody can erase it. What finally led me to walletscore was honestly just elimination. I tried probably a dozen platforms and they all had major issues, either fake permissions, fake data, predatory pricing, or zero actual utility. This service stood out immediately because their approach is fundamentally different. So, links sitting in the description below and pinned in comments. Just run one quick scan and you'll immediately see if anything needs your attention. From experience, if you see flags, don't stress because most fade naturally after 50 to 80 days of normal activity. Your score shifts constantly with your activity, so recheck every 2 to 3 months, especially before big airdrop seasons. Got questions about flags or confused about results? Comment below. I'm active there and I'll help you understand what's up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.